You ran away from me at the park. There will be no screens tonight. You didn't eat your dinner, so there's no ice cream. You failed your math test. You're grounded. You didn't clean up your room when I told you to. Now we're not going to the party. You didn't complete your chores. You can't stay home alone with your big sister. What do all these things have in common? They're unnatural and illogical consequences. And while they might work to scare your child into compliance for a minute, in the long term, they're likely to make things worse. Which is why so many of you tell me, I've been parenting and trying to do consequences and hold boundaries, and it's not working. He or she doesn't care about anything. I think your ratio's off. The ratio at which a natural consequence, not those, will work is 97-3. When you're doing 97% positive supports, then a natural consequence, natural, not like the ones in the beginning, may well be effective. But you have to get the positive supports dialed in first. Here's some examples of natural and logical consequences. Kid throws truck. Oh, looks like trucks are too tricky for today. Trucks are all done. We can try again tomorrow. Kid is splashing in bath. Up, water stays in tub. Kid splashes. Water stays in tub. Kid splashes. Oh, looks like bath is too tricky for today. Pull the plug or remove the child. Kids are fighting in the car. Slowly pull over. Be silent. Say, I drive when everybody is calm and quiet. Then don't say anything else. You can start driving again when they're calm and quiet. Kids are fighting over what show to watch. Oh, looks like shows are too tricky for today. I'll take the remote. Let's try again after dinner. Notice that with each natural and logical consequence, I say it as soon as things start to go sideways, and I'm doing that in significant part so that I can stay regulated. Your capacity to stay regulated and calm when giving a natural and logical consequence is like 99% of the success. So look, I know we're all exhausted and sometimes you're like at the end of your rope and you've given unnatural and illogical consequence. For example, the other day I was at the roller rink with my girls. They wouldn't come off the rink and I was like, if you don't come off the rink right now, we're never coming here again. It was a lie and we all knew it. And so I had to back up. And if you go there and that happens to you, it's perfectly okay to say, oh, Mama got a little crabby. You know what? Let's try that again. We can do 2 more rolls around the rink and then we're all done. Use your positive supports more, loads more, than you use your natural and logical consequences. And then when you do use a natural and logical consequence, it's going to be loads more effective. Follow for more tips on brain-based parenting that relies on the neuroscience and the relationship with you and your child to get cooperation.